If you are a developer, creator, or business owner trying to manage hosting, domains, and cloud server across 4 different platforms, you are wasting your time and money. Milesweb gives you an all-in-one ecosystem for your entire web infrastructure. Whether you need reliable web hosting for business sites, managed WordPress hosting with maximum speed, or specialized Node.js hosting to run modern JavaScript apps, they have it covered. Need total control? You can spin up high-performance Linux or Windows VPS instance with full root access and EPYC processors and 99.9% uptime to host modern web applications, production APIs, or automation tools like Anytime. You don't need to go anywhere else to launch a brand. You can register your custom domains, set up professional business email, configure Google Workspace, and secure your site with SSL certificates, all directly with Milesweb. And the best part, while Lexi hosts charge a premium for single site, Milesweb premium plans let you host up to 25 websites for a fraction of the cost. Worried about moving your current sites? Milesweb team handles the entire migration for you 100% free with zero downtime and no data loss. If you ever hit a roadblock, their 24/7 expert human support is available in multiple languages with a light chat response time of under 30 seconds. But don't just take my word for it. They are backed by thousands of 5-star Google reviews from developers who have already made the switch. Plus, it's completely risk-free with their 30 days money-back guarantee. Stop overcomplicating your tech stack. Check out Milesweb using the link in bio to get started with fast, reliable hosting and developer-friendly infrastructure today.